Visit our website for best kitchen products and tools.
We're all about helping you cook up some delicious meals while staying healthy and happy in the kitchen. If you're someone who's new to cooking or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. We'll be your trusty guides, showing you how to use the right tools and techniques to get the most out of your food. Introduction. Welcome, food enthusiasts. Today, we have a special treat for you. A healthy recipe for barbecue chicken with baked fries. We'll be highlighting the top 5 spices used in this dish and discussing their nutritional value. So, let's fire up the grill and get cooking. Segment 1. The health benefits of barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken can be a nutritious and delicious option when prepared with the right ingredients. Skinless chicken breasts are a lean source of protein, while grilling helps retain their natural flavors. Let's now explore the top 5 spices we'll be using in our barbecue chicken marinade. Segment 2. Spice Hash 1. Paprika. Our first spice is paprika. Paprika adds a vibrant color and a subtle smoky flavor to the marinade. It is a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can support overall immune health. Segment 3. Spice Hash 2. Garlic powder. Next up is garlic powder. With its rich flavor and aroma, garlic powder enhances the taste of the marinade. Garlic contains compounds that may promote heart health and boost the immune system. Segment 4. Spice Hash 3. Cumin. Cumin is our third spice, known for its warm and earthy flavor. It contains iron, which supports healthy blood cells and may aid digestion and help control blood sugar levels.
Visit our website for best kitchen products and tools.
Segment 5. Spice Hash 4. Smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is our fourth spice, adding a distinct smoky flavor to the marinade. It shares similar nutritional benefits with regular paprika, providing a boost of antioxidants and potential anti-inflammatory properties. Segment 6. Spice Hash 5. Black pepper. Finally, we have black pepper. Beyond its sharp and spicy taste, black pepper contains piperine, which can enhance nutrient absorption in the body. Segment 7. Barbecue chicken and baked fries recipe. Now that we understand the nutritional benefits of our spices, let's move on to the recipe. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 4 skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, olive oil, potatoes for fries. Here's how we prepare our healthy barbecue chicken with baked fries. In a bowl, combine paprika, garlic powder, cumin, smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt. Rub the spice mixture onto the chicken breasts, ensuring they are evenly coated. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Grill the chicken for about 6-8 minutes per side or until cooked through. While the chicken is grilling, cut the potatoes into fries. Toss them with olive oil, salt, and any additional spices you prefer. Arrange the potato fries on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 425 deg F 220 deg C for 20-25 minutes or until crispy and golden. Once the chicken is cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Pair it with the baked fries for a delicious and nutritious meal. Segment 8. Closing. And there you have it, a healthy recipe for barbecue chicken with baked fries, featuring the top 5 spices and their nutritional benefits. Remember to enjoy this flavorful meal in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for joining us today, and happy and healthy cooking. Conclusion. Embrace the flavors and benefits of these spices as you prepare your own barbecue chicken with baked fries. With a little creativity and a focus on nutrition, you can indulge in delicious meals without compromising your health. Stay tuned for more exciting and healthy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!
Visit our website for best kitchen products and tools.